Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namaha Panini Katyayana Patanjalibhyaha Shabda Vidya Sampradaya Kartrubhyo Vamsha Rishibhyo Mahadbhyo Munibhyo Gurubhyaha Keyorana Vibhushayanti Purusham Harana Chandrojvala Na Snanam Na Vilepanam Na Kusumam Nalankrita Murdhaja Vanyeka Samalankaroti Purusham Ya Samskrita Dharyate Kshiyante Khalu Bhushanani Satatam Vagbhushanam Bhushanam. Welcome to Sanskrit for the beginners. We have very successfully completed 27 abhyasas so far, and very meticulously we've been doing the exercises of the pronouns, 3 pronouns in all the 3 genders, and the nominative case of Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Strilinga, Ikaranta Strilinga. These are the 3 nouns in the Prathama Ekavachana nominative singular, nominative case singular, dual, plural we have seen. And we have also seen so far the pronouns, the demonstrative pronouns and the interrogative pronoun kim in the Prathama Vibhakti, and their usages also we have seen. We are further going to have more exercise now on page 62. You are supposed to fill up the blanks here, looking at the pronouns given above on the page. Etat, ete, etani. This etat, ete, etani are neuter pronouns, as we have already seen in the previous class. Etat kim, and with an interrogative pronoun added here. Etat kim, which is interrogative and which means in English, what is this? Ete ke, what are these 2 things? Etani kani, what are these things? So we go with the exercise. Number 1 is etat pushpam. The answer is given as etat pushpam. Now, which means it is a complete sentence by itself, meaning this is a flower. Ete pushpe. Ete ke, the question is ete ke, what are these 2? K here is in dual number. You should not be confused for the plural of the masculine gender. This is neuter gender, please bear it in mind. Ete pushpe, these are the 2 flowers. 2, specifically number 2 here. Etani kani, what are these? Etani pushpani. So you are learning the derivation of a neuter noun as well here. Akaranta napumsakalinga pushpa shabda. Pushpam, pushpe, pushpani. We are learning this. Etat pushpam, ete pushpe, etani pushpani. These are the flowers. So we go with the exercise. You can also try. So Srinivas. Vyajanam. So what would you add here? Etat Vyajanam. We have to use etat Vyajanam. Since the noun Vyajanam is neuter, and how do we know it's neuter or masculine, feminine? Because it's ending in the sound So there is a general rule we have already noted and also said it very clearly, that generalization is there. Whenever any word ends up in sound, it is a neuter word. Like jalam, pushpam, toyam, akasham, nakshatram, netram, mukham. These are all neuter. And whenever there is general visarga, ha sound, then it is masculine. Whenever there is a noun ending in longer vowels, akaranta, ikaranta, like Ganga, Kaveri, Nadi, Gauri. So they are feminine. So here, going by that, etat vyajanam, this is a fan. Ete, so you derive on the basis of pushpe, vyajane, these are two fans. Etani, vyajanani, these are the fans. So instead of that, you can, if you know any neuter noun, you can derive. Etat pustakam, ete pustake, etani pustakani. Etat patram, ete patre, etani patrani. Etat vastram, ete vastre, etani vastrani. Etat netram, ete netre, etani netrani. 100 nouns can be derived in the nominative singular case, prathama vibhakti. So next, third sentence is etat, nothing is given. So phala is clue here. Etat phalam, ete phale, etani phalani. So we are deriving this way. The neuter pronoun, neuter noun. Etat gruham, this is a house. Ete gruhe, etani gruhani. Gruhani, these are the homes. Etat mandiram, mandiram is also neuter. So ete mandire, etani mandirani. Now etat nagaram, this is a city. Ete nagare, etani nagarani. And then etat nagaram over. Etat parnam, parnam also means patram. It's a leaf. Etat parnam, ete parne, etani parnani. Kamalam, etat kamalam, ete kamale, etani kamalani. Dwaram, which means door. Dwara is very close to English door. Etat dwaram, ete dware, etani dwarani. Kagadam, kagadam is a paper. Etat kagadam, ete kagade, etani kagadani. So this way 100 nouns can be derived with the help of one noun, provided you know one neuter noun in the prathama. So as we recalled, so many words we have studied already. So this comes to the exercise 28, and then we move on with the page 63, where we are going to see the etat pronoun in the three genders, masculine, feminine and neuter. Eshaha, etau, ete, esha, ete, etaha on the top of the page. Etat, ete, etani. The first three are masculine, second three are feminine, last three are neuter. 3, 3, why 3? Because there is an extra number we know, dual number. So again we go with the exercise here. Please read carefully and also do it. Eshaha. Now eshaha, a boy. If you want to say, how do you say eshaha? Balakaha. Etau balakau. Etau balakau. Ete balakaha. Ete balakaha. It is given down on fourth sentence. What is that? It is given there. You can see the fourth sentence. Eshaha balakaha. Etau balakau. Ete balakaha. Viewers can look down in the fourth sentence and see how this eshaha in masculine gender is used with a noun. Esha, ete, etaha. This is how the feminine derivation of the etad pronoun is given. And what is the example given? Fifth sentence. Esha balika, ete balike, etaha balikaha. Now watch, here you have to be very careful, learners, beginners. The ete comes in the plural in masculine, and ete comes in the plural of masculine. Ete comes as the dvivachana, dual number in the feminine, and the neuter also. Neuter, feminine both have the same form in the dual number, which is the plural of masculine gender. You can see here coming etat, ete. Second sentence, esha, ete. But first one, eshaha, etau, ete. That is the difference. Ete, so how do we know? You may have a doubt. How do we know whether it is masculine, feminine, neuter? It can be known only when there is a noun attached to it. If I simply say ete, it could be masculine bahuvachana, it could be feminine dual number, it could be neuter dual number. Unless a noun follows this, say ete balike, immediately these are two girls. Ete pustake, these are two books. Ete balakaha. I will write here ete balakaha to avoid the confusion. Now watch here. Ete balakaha, ete balike, ete pustake. Now this is dual number. This is dual number. This is plural. Since this is dual number, this is dual number. This has to be balike ete, ete pustake. Ete, the same ete. This is masculine usage, this is feminine usage, this is neuter usage. Ete balakaha, ete balike, ete pustake. So this form being the same, but the number it means differently when it is followed by the noun. Ete is plural when it is in masculine. Ete is dual when it is feminine as well as neuter. So a little careful we have to watch this. Now we have seen the etat. Also, last sentence on the page 63, etat pustakam, ete pustake, etani pustakani. Now, as I said in the previous class, if I were to translate this, these are boys, these are girls, these are books. I am using the same these for all the three genders. In Sanskrit we cannot use. The pronoun must match with the noun in gender and also number. Since in English we have only two numbers, here an extra number is there. This is the thing to be very careful. Okay, let us go to the next page. So once again, before we are S64, it is to be very clearly borne in mind these what is given on the top page. Eshaha, eto, ete are masculine. Esha, ete, eta are feminine. Etat, ete, etani are neuter. In the first case of the pronoun, that is prathama vibhakti or nominative case. On page 64, we are supposed to make usage of this sahatauti. Now we are tat pronoun, masculine pronoun is used here. A pronoun sahataute we have done many in the previous class, lessons. Sahakaha, taukau, teke, sahatauke. This is the study here on this page. Sahatau te. Now what is saha? We have already noted that saha is a pronoun coming from tad pronoun. The base will be introduced later. This is the pronoun tad. Tad will be derived in all the three genders: masculine, feminine, neuter. Now we are seeing saha here. Saha. This becomes sa. This becomes tat. Tat only. Neuter, it becomes tat. So tat pronoun means, which means in English it is he, it is she, it is it. It is he here. Saha means he, sa means she, tat means that or it. So that is what is there here on page 64. Saha kaha, and with an interrogative pronoun. Saha kaha, what is that? Saha kakaha, that's a crow. That's a crow. Tau kau, what are those two things? Tau kau, tau kakau. Those two are crows. Te ke, what are those in plural? Te ke, te kaka. You can substitute this kaka with a boy. Saha balakaha, tau balakau, te balakaha. You can take another noun. Saha vruddhaha is an old man. Tau vruddhau, te vruddhaha. Or you can say he is a student. Saha chhatraha, tau chhatrau, te chhatraha. That's a tree. Saha vrikshaha, tau vrikshau, te vrikshaha. Saha manushyaha, tau manushau, te manushyaha. So any masculine noun you can take with this pronoun. Now some more examples here. Saha kaha, saha kapotaha. It is given answer. Tau kau, tau kapotau. Likewise you have to, as the previous sentence, first sentence say, tau kakau, tau kapotau. Te ke, te kapotaha, te kapotaha. Then you have done it. Saha kaha, saha makaraha. Tau makkau, tau kau, what are the? Tau makarau. Te ke, te makaraha. Saha kaha, saha sainikaha. Tau kau, tau sainikau. Te ke, te sainikaha. So 100 you can do if you know this. Saha, tau, te. Saha, tau, te. Using with kaha, kau, ke. These are parallelly used here. So please watch carefully. Saha, tau, te are used here with this should be seen. Saha, tau, te. Used along with kaha, kau, ke. This is interrogative, this is demonstrative. Of course, case is first case, nominative case. Singular, dual, plural. Saha tau te, kaha kau ke. Then we may move on to, these are masculine. A little later we may go to feminine. So this is done on page 64, 5. Saha kaha, more practice of the same. Saha ashvaha, you can read. Tau kau, tau ashvau. Te ke, te ashvaha. Te ashvaha. Saha kaha, saha vanaraha. Tau kau, tau vanarau. Te ke, te vanaraha. Saha kaha, saha bhallukaha. Tau kau, tau bhallukau. Te ke, te bhallukaha. Saha kaha, saha shukaha. Tau kau, tau shukau. Te ke, te shukaha. On the same lines, this is only a practice here. Saha kaha, saha bakaha. Tau kau, tau bakau. Te ke, te bakaha. Those are the cranes. So here we are learning a noun in the 3 genders, which we have already done, but more practice is here. Like for example, balaha, balau, balaha. Balakaha or vanaraha, naraha. I will write here. Naraha, Narau, Naraha. Or you can take Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha, anything. So if you know one noun, you can derive 100 of them in the same line, Sakaranta. So page 66. Udaharananusaram Riktasthanani Purayantu. Again you are supposed to fill in looking at the examples. Now we are coming to the feminine part of it. The feminine part of this tad, sa, this feminine part here we are seeing. So I am writing here the feminine part, sa, te, ta. These are the feminine. Sa is she, as we have already noted, she. Saha is he. Sa, te, taha in feminine. This is masculine. Saha, tau, te masculine. This is also masculine interrogative. Kaha, kau, ke. And with this, an interrogative feminine is also introduced here in this page. Interrogative pronoun. In the nominative case, of course, ka, ke, ka. This is interrogative feminine. This is masculine. This is masculine interrogative. So we will do now. 2 pages are devoted for this. Saka. What is that? So in English we have to say only that, even if it is feminine or masculine, neuter. Neuter feminine, we have to say what is it. Saka. What is it? Sa. Chataka, that's a sparrow. Sparrow. Now sparrow being a feminine, what is she? We don't say, we can't say. It's a sparrow. What are those? Teke, te, chatake. Those two are birds, feminine birds you can say. Taha, kaha, taha, kaha. We are using saka, teke, taha, kaha. Tahaka, what are those? Taha, chataka, those are sparrows. Similarly, saka, sa, shakha, that's a branch. Shakha, now we have to identify things and derive them. Teke, te, shakhe. Taha, kaha, taha, shakha. You are supposed to write here this word shakha. Show them this. Shakha word. Shaka, shake, shaka. Then third one, saka, sa, kalika. Kalika, sa, kalika. Teke, te, kalike. Taha, kaha, taha, kalikaha. Again, saka, sa, pipilika. Word already introduced. Sa, pipilika. Teke, te, pipilike. Pipiliki. Taha, kaha, taha, pipilikaha. It's a big word having 4 letters. Pipilikaha. So this way, feminine nouns with feminine pronouns, interrogative. Saka, what is it? Sa, bhikshuki. She is a beggar woman. Teke, te, bhikshukyau. Now you see here the derivation of bhikshuki, a noun ending in ikaranta. Bhikshuki, bhikshukyau, bhikshukyaha. Nadi, nadyau, nadyaha, like. Bhikshukyau. Those two are beggar women. Taha, kaha, taha, bhikshukyaha. Bhikshukyaha. Please show them. The writing of kshu was not demonstrated earlier. Bhikshu ki Bhikshukyau and the plural Bhikshukyah. So here the ksha is written like this. Ksha. This is English KS. Sorry. Ksha. Ksha. Bhikshukyau. Then we have Saka Sa Nartaki. This is also Ikaranta, just like that. Bhikshuki, Bhikshukyau, Bhikshukyaha. Nartaki, Nartakyau, Nartakyah. Te ke te Nartakyau. Taha kaha, taha Nartakyah. Nartakyah. Kyah, ending is kyah. Nartakyah. Then Saka Sa Nadi. Te ke te Nadyau. Nadyau. Taha Nadyah. Taha kaha, taha Nadyah. Nadi is very easy to write compared to, so we generally introduce that. Nadi in Pratama. Nadyau. Nadyah. This can be your model noun for learning. Pratama. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. Bhikshuki, Bhikshukyau, Bhikshukyah. Any noun can be derived. This is Ikaranta. Ikaranta Strilinga. This is a word ending in E. Then we have the last on the page. Saka Sa Nari. Te ke te Naryau. Naryau, like Nadyau. Taha kaha, taha Naryaha. They are women. So this is how you are learning on this page, with along with interrogative pronoun, one pronoun in tat pronoun in masculine and feminine we have seen. And following page we are learning the neuter of it. So here we are coming here, the neuter here is sha. Sa, tat we are coming to. Tat, te, tani. This is neuter. Demonstrative, kim, interrogative, sorry. Kim, ke, kani. This is interrogative, neuter, of course. So we are finishing here. Masculine, this can be blown up. Masculine, feminine, neuter. Saha taute, kaha kauke, sa te taha, ka ke kaha, tat te tani, kim ke kani. There is also a bit rhyming in the derivation. So we'll see on 68. Tat kim, what's it? Tat phalam, te ke, what are those two? Te phale, tani kani, tani phalani. Then you can take on with the next one. Tat pushpam, te tani pushpani. Tat gruham, te gruhe, tani gruhani. Tat vyajanam, te vyajane, tani vyajanani. Tat parnam, te parne, tani parnani. Tat patram, te patre, tani patrani. Tat grunjanam, tat te grunjane, tani grunjanani. Tat alukam, te aluke, tani alukani. Tat panasam, te panase, tani panasani. Tat kamalam, te kamale, tani kamalani. Tat nayanam, te is not there, but I am just making you. Tat nayanam, te nayane, तानि नयनानि, तत् वस्त्रम ते वस्त्रे तानि वस्त्राणि, तत् मुखम ते मुखे तानि मुखानि, तत् नक्षत्रम ते नक्षत्रे तानि नक्षत्राणि, तत् जलम ते जले तानि जलानि, तत् तोयम ते तोये तानि तोयानि, and number of things. This is neuter ani sound, sound. So what is to be noted on 69 is, read carefully. Etat shabdah sarvanama prathama. We have already, now I have written on the board, this is prathama, Roman letter. Prathama, first case we have seen. It's now explained here. Pumlinge eshaha etau ete. You can see, eshaha is not written, okay. Eshaha is not written. Pumlinge eshaha. Eshaha, this pronoun, etat pronoun. Strilinga esha ete etaha. Napumsakalinga etat ete etani. We have written tat but not written etat. So that's it. Now tat shabda sarvanama prathama. Prathama means nominative case. Pumlinga saha, that is what is written. Saha taute. Strilinga sa te taha. Napunsaka tat te tani. What is kim, interrogative pronoun in prathama pullinga? Kaha kau ke, that we have done here. Kaha kau ke, feminine ka ke kaha. Napunsaka kim ke kani. Kim ke kani. So these are very, very important pronouns basically to form a sentence for the beginners in Sanskrit, and that is why a lot of stress is given for practice here. Prathama vibhaktau sangna shabdaha. Now we are going to see also in Prathama vibhakti nominative case the nouns here. These three are pronouns on page 69, and the bottom one is Prathama vibhaktau sangna shabdaha. Sangna means here noun. And udaharana, you can see 4 are given here. Balaka shabda. Balakaha, balakau, balakaha. Strilinga shabda. Balika, balike, balikaha. Nadi, nadyau, nadyaha. Feminine. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani. So 4 are given here. First one is Pumlinga, masculine. Second one is Balika, is a feminine noun. Nadi is also a feminine noun, and Pustaka is a neuter noun, Napumsaka. So just to again recall what has been studied so far and how you go about identifying the noun and its gender. That's very important. So please remember the clue I have given. If it is having visarga, it should be masculine. If it is ending in akara, ikara, dirgha, it is feminine. And when it is ending in general rule, sound, pustakam, netram, mukam, phalam, patram, toyam, jalam, etc., it is a neuter noun. So on Abhyasa 29, Chitranusaram prashnam uttaram cha likantu. You are supposed to write questions and answers according to the pictures. Now, you question yourself, you answer yourself. So how do you go? Here there are 2. So the question would be te, ke, ete. What are these? Ke, ete. Now looking at this, since you are to question here, ete ke, ete ke, what are these? Then say ete. What is the flower you think? Kamala. Kamale. This is the answer. Ete kamale. Since there are 2, you have to use only the etat pronoun which is given in the back page, 2 number, ete kamale. Now in the second one, what would be the question? There are more than 2. So the etat, this will change to etani kani. What are these? Then the answer would be etani kamalani. What is it given?
Phalani.
Phala is given, okay. Phalani. The picture has changed, therefore fruit picture is given, therefore ethani palani. Ete ke ete kamale. Etani kani ethani phalani. Next one. Etau kau. There are two people. So to make it an interrogative sentence, you have to say etau kau. Who are these two? Etau kau. Then what will be the answer? Etau teachers. No. Patravahaka. Patravahakau. These are two postmen. Patravahakau. It is not a teacher, I suppose. Okay, if you are in doubt, then you can take etau adhyapakau. Adhyapakau. Anything. Etau, or if you want to use anything, etau narau. These are two men. Anything you can take. But going by the picture, it should be either patra, this only, I think. And then on the fourth one, etau kau. Who are these two boys? So what will be the answer? Etau chatro. Etau chatro. The fourth one. Answer is etau kau. Who are these two? This is interrogative. So you use the answer, you take the answer as etau chatro. Etau chatro. Chatro. This is the answer. And then fifth one. Etaha kaha. What are these? Question is eta. Since it is a feminine picture, etaha kaha. What are these? What will be the answer? Etaha. Yes, etaha malaha. This is the answer. Sixth one. Now, question, you make a question there, looking at the picture. Eshaha etau. It's masculine, so that is the difficulty. Etau, eshaha, etau, ete. Just look back. If you are in doubt, you look back here. First on 69 page. Eshaha, etau, ete in masculine. Esha, ete, etaha feminine. Etat, ete, etani in neutral gender. So, etau, and what is the interrogative? Going with the same sound, kau. Now this way. Is this seen on the screen?
Yeah.
They have to, it has to be shown big. Etau kau. Who are these two? What are these two? Because that's a peacock, mayura. So the answer is etau mayurau. Mayurau. This is the answer. Etau mayurau. It may be a bit difficult in the beginning, so we'll have to go very slowly. Now the seventh one, they are fruits. So how do you make a question? What are these? Keep the camera on board only, please. Yes, that's perfect. 7, huh? Yeah, that is the 7 one. Etani kani. This is the question. Answer is etani phalani. These are the fruits. And that one, oh, we have also committed a mistake. You are supposed to use in the left side etat, right side tat, because picture is far off. Universe. Okay. Now, what are there? Aja. So the question is, what are those two? Eighth one. Eighth one is sa te ke. This is the question. Because the shabda used to, the noun that is to be used here is aja. Aja is feminine. So sa te ka. So you check the previous page. Sa te ka ta. Second box. Ka. Ta. Sa te ta. So te, sa te, ka ke ka. Ka ke ka. Te ke. What are those? So the answer for this is te. Ajay. How is Ajay derived? I am writing here. Aja Shabda. Aja. Ajay. Ajaha. No. Feminine. Aja. Ajay. Ajaha. Like Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Ganga, Gange, Ganga. This is feminine. This is introduced on previous. You can see it's a feminine only. Ajay.
Yeah.
Ajay. So Aja is a feminine. This is a Strilinga. This is the Strilinga Shabda, which runs like I am giving a parallel noun. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. You can take any others. Ganga, Gange, Gangaha. A feminine noun would be running like this in all the Pratama, first case only. You can take any feminine. Sita, Site, Sitaha. Prabha, Prabhe, Prabhaha. So here, te ke, looking at the picture, te, ajay, those are two feminine sheep. And on ninth one, on page 71, what is given? Crane. Cranes are given. Baka. Baka Shabda is to be used. Baka is masculine. Baka is masculine. So how do we go with this masculine? Bakaha, Bakau, Bakaha. So bakaha, you use etaha, ete. What is the number? Ninth one. Ninth sentence. Ete ke. Ete ke. Since the picture is masculine, I have taken etad in plural, kim in plural. Eshaha, etau, ete. Again, when in doubt, please go back to the previous page. See, etad, eshaha, etau, ete in pullinga. Pullinga masculine. Strilinga, esha, ete, etaha. Strilinga over. Napumsaka, etat, ete, etani. Since baka is masculine, I used here plural. Esha, etau, ete. And what is the interrogative plural in masculine? Kaha, kau, ke. Ete, ke. What are these? So the answer would be ete. No, ete bakaha. Baka. These are cranes. Any doubt?
It's a Pullinga or Strilinga?
Which one?
Baka.
Baka is Pullinga. Since this is Pullinga, this is the Pullinga of what? K is coming from where? I will write once again. Kaha, kau, ke. This is the. Now, how is this ete coming? Eshaha. In the previous page only. Etau. Ete. Ete. So I have taken this. Ete. I have taken this. Ete ke. Ete ke. What are these? Ete, these are bakaha. This is the answer. Next. What is next 10th one?
Balluka.
That is balluka. Balluka is also plural. I mean pullinga, sorry, pullinga. So how do you make te? Te, ke. Simply, what are those? Te, ke. What are those? What are they? Okay, what are they? You can say.
Dual in number, sir.
Huh?
They are dual in number.
Oh, sorry, dual number. Dual number. I thought it's given. I have not watched it properly. So two ballukas are given. So tau, cow. What are those two? What are those two? This is the. So the answer is tau, bhallu cow. So this is the answer. After every answer we put this is full stop in Sanskrit. Okay, you write it for the beginners. Okay. Tau bhallu cow. Those two are bears. Those two are bears. Now 11 one. Lata is there. 2. Only 2 I think. Only one. Okay, one. So 11 singular. Now what is this? You have to say. Esha. Feminine. Ka. Your question should be, since Lata is feminine, what is this creeper? Esha ka. So the answer would be Esha Lata. Esha Lata. This is the answer. Esha Lata. And the opposite side, Petika. That is a box. 2 boxes are given here. 2 boxes. So how do you make a sentence and answer? Number of the sentence? Number is oh no, tat. Number is 12. In the 12 one, sa te, te ke. Now this is the question. How is this te coming? Again going back a little. Sa te taha. I am writing here for the viewers. This is a feminine pronoun. In short I am writing sa singular, te dual, taha plural. So I have picked up this here. Te. Similarly, this pronoun in feminine gender would be ka, ke, kaha. Interrogative. So I have picked up this one here. K. And made a question here. Sa te ta. Dual number te I have taken. And similarly K. How is it K? K is coming from here. Dual number. Since the number there, picture of the number is also 2, I have taken this 2. If you have doubt, you have to turn back and see. That's it. So te ki. So what do you say? Te. The answer would be te petike. Petike. Te petike. Those two are boxes. Now next 13. How many women are there? 2 only. So we are practicing Vivachan here, actually 2 dual number. So ete, esha, eta, ete, ke. This is the answer, question. Then answer ete. What are they? Nari. Nari Shabda. Nariyau. Please write like this. Ete Nariyau. How is Nariyau coming? Nari. Nariyau. Yes, Naryaha. Narya in the singular, dual and plural. We have taken dual here. Nari, Naryo, Narya. Then the 14th one, 13, 14. What is given? Two homes are given. Gurham. So, showing those. Tat te. Te. Ke. Te ke. Now, please viewers watch here. This is feminine. This is neuter. Both are same in question. Te ke in feminine. Te pe ti ke. We said those two are boxes. E te ke. These are two women. Te ke. Looking at the picture here, what are those two? So te gruhe. This is neuter. Therefore, we take gruha shabda in neuter gender. Gruhe. Te gruhe, those two are homes. Te gruhe. And 15th one, there is only water in a glass. So what is this? You have to make a sentence. Etat, using etat, kim. What is this? The answer is etat jalam. This is water. This is the answer. And one more is there, of course, to finish this page. And what is that? Two horses are there. So how do you make a question with the horse here? What are those two? Can you try that? Make a pulling, because horse is pulling. So which one you pick up? 16th one. Saha tau. Tau kau. Tau kau. The answer would be tau ashvau. Ashvau. This is the answer. Tau ashvau. Tau balakau. Tau narau. Tau vanarau. Tau adhyapakau. Tau means those two. Tau means those two. In masculine gender, this is masculine. Masculine gender. This is also masculine gender answer. So we have to go very slowly to understand this. A kind of confusion may be creeping into the minds here as far as the genders, and that is why in the beginning the book has very clearly given you what pronoun is what in the gender, Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. Three pronouns are given followed by one noun. Nouns in one new masculine noun, one feminine noun, two feminine nouns and one neuter noun is given bottom. So we have to go very slowly. If you have any doubts, you can mail us. We'll also clarify them. So this is how page 71 gets done. And moving to the next page, Abhyasa Trimshaha, the 30th. Here you are supposed to read what is given in the brackets. Eshaha, Saha, Esha, Sa, Etat, Tat. All the pronouns you have studied. So a big list is given here. Adho likita shabdan ekaikashaha uchite gruhe sthapayantu. Place the following words separately in a suitable house. Now, now you go by, you have to be guided by what is given on the top of the box, on the home. Gruham means that box, home. First one is masculine, second one is masculine dual number, third one is masculine plural number. So I will read here. Eshaha, Etau, Ete. I am reading the first part of the two words. Saha tau te. Just watch again. Eshaha, Etau, Ete are masculine pronouns this in the sense of this. Eshaha, this person. Etau, these two persons. Ete, these persons. Okay. Saha, tau, te. Again, these are the same pronouns in masculine, but showing that person. Saha, that person. Tau, those two persons. Like we have written here, those two. Tau, those two persons. Let us imagine. Te, they. Te is equivalent to English they. Very convenient to pronounce and remember also. Te is equal to they in English. Te, they. Exactly. In masculine gender. So, in the second, fourth gruha or column, Esha, Ete, Etaha. And what this is a demonstrative pronoun in this in the sense of this. That, sa, te, taha. Feminine. Neuter is given down bottom. Etat, ete, etani. And in showing something far away, tat, te, tani. Now you pick up the words given, so many 42, 45 words are given, and fill up them. Let us pick up masculine words first and put it in the boxes. So what do you pick up? Eshaha. What do you think you will pick up? Any masculine noun from the 1 to 45 words given enlisted here? You can take Chhatraha, is not there? Anything. Pulling Eshaha, Kakaha. This is a crow. See, you can pick up anything. Eshaha, Kakaha, you can pick up Eshaha. Any. Kaka is only looking at me. Balakaha. No, singular you have to pick up. So that is the only one. Eshaha, Kakaha. Okay. We'll take Etau. Which one you take? Etau, Chatrau. Etau, Chatrau. First one. Third one you take Saha. With it, Saha will take. Oh no, Saha. 5 sentences is given. Eshaha. Okay, you can take third one with Saha. Then you have to also take one neuter also. You take Eshaha. Oh no, pulling only. Wait a minute. Eshaha, Kakaha, 1. 2, Eshaha, Etau, Chatrau. Then 3, plural you can take up. Ete. No, I think that is not intended here. But with Eshaha okati, 1 you get, Saha you get 1, Eshaha. Why has he given? I am just wondering. 5 boxes. Anyway, Eshaha, Kakaha will take. Saha, Chalakaha. Saha, Chalaka. Any masculine noun in singular form, you do it. Then if you can repeat Eshaha, that will be fine. Eshaha, Chalakaha. Saha, Asandaha. Now, I would recommend you first identify what are the masculine nouns first. Let us see from 1 masculine noun. Where it is given? Number 2. What is the gender? What is the number of this Chatrau? How many students? 2. How? Chatraha, Chatrau, Chatraha. So 2 students. Number 2. No, we will only first see masculine. Go. 4th one is masculine. Vanarau. How is it derived? Vanaraha, Vanarau, Vanaraha. So we are only looking to masculine. 7th one is masculine. Chalakaha, Chalakau, Chalakaha. Asandaha is masculine. Asandaha, Asandau, Asanda. So just identify first masculine. Kakaha is masculine. Kakaha, Kakau, Kakaha. Gajaha masculine plural. Gajaha, Gajau, Gajaha plural is given. Ashwau is masculine. Ashwaha, Ashwau. This is second number, dual number. Then Balakaha, Kokilaha, 19th. Kokilaha is masculine. Shurpaha, masculine, plural. Shurpaha, Shurpau, Shurpaha. Adhyapakau is also masculine in number 2, Dvivachana. Adhyapakaha, Adhyapakau, Adhyapakaha. So you mark on like this. Akashaha, masculine, singular. Balakaha, masculine, plural, Prathama plural. Then Bhallukaha, 29th is also masculine, plural, Bhallukaha. Then 37, no, not, that is not. Aja is feminine. 33, Mayuraha, Mayuraha, Mayurau, Mayuraha. That's it. These are masculine, first of all. So what I would recommend the learners, beginners who are seeing this, from page 72, first 1 to 45 words are given. Out of these 45, you just put M in English masculine for masculine words, nouns, and then identify the feminine nouns and write out there FFF, and neuter noun N you can do. Now let us sort out, time is over. Okay, we will take up that in the next class. Again we will do this. Shubham Bhuyat.